Hello everyone. I'm about to open the Echo Dot, Amazon Echo Dot. I'm going to use with my Blink indoor security camera, and I'm going to use with my Fire Stick TV. I just received it. As it states here, Echo Dot connects to Alexa, a cloud-based voice service that is always getting smarter. Just ask and Alexa will provide information, play music, read the news, set alarms, control smart home devices, and more. Add voice control to your speakers, connect to speakers over Bluetooth or with an audio cable, and directly stream music from Amazon Music, Pandora, Spotify, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, and more. Far-field voice recognition with 7 microphones, beamforming technology, and noise cancellation. Echo Dot hears you from across the room and responds through the built-in speaker or a connected speaker. Voice control your smart home. Ask Alexa to turn on your lights, control your thermostat, garage door, or sprinklers, and more. Well, what I'm going to use my Alexa Echo Dot for is to be a connection with my Fire Stick TV. I didn't know that it was going to be this small, everybody, but it's really a small device. As you can see on the side here, it's Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth enabled, and you can see here also the music services that it's compatible and that can actually be used on the speaker. This is the Echo Dot second generation. There's only 2 generations as of now. It's a power adapter, 9 watts, and micro USB cable. All right, let's see what this baby looks like. I am excited, everybody. Okay, this is only brief. I just want to show you what it looks like before I actually connect it. I'm going to start, it's kind of hard to get out. I'm going to start making these videos when I buy new tech products, unboxing and showing everyone what it looks like here. There's a black box that's encasing the Echo Dot. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, by the way. All right, got it out. All right, it's neatly packed in, and as you can see, I can just slide it out the side. There's like a black packaging here, cardboard packaging. Okay, here's the Echo Dot. All right, Echo Dot quick start guide. All right, it's Alexa enabled, and you have a power adapter USB cord. This is a micro USB cord and a micro USB power adapter. Okay, everybody, this is the unboxing. I got the black version. You can also get a white version, and you also can get like little sleeves you can put on the Alexa device. Okay, let's get this baby started. If you like this product, if you're on the fence about getting smart speakers, I would start out with something like this first and see if you enjoy it, and then go from there. It's going to make my life a whole lot easier because I don't get to stream my music and my podcasts and news broadcasts. Okay, everyone, thank you for listening. Please subscribe if you like.